Guys, this product will give you longer lasting hair. Now before I continue, as always, please take note of the 20% discount that New Lace CU are offering on your first system. Just go on their website, newlacecu.com. When you make your order, in the coupon code box, just type in New Lace CU20 with a capital N, and that will give you your 20% discount. My system is from New Lace CU. The systems I've been wearing for about the last 6 to 7 to 8 months have all been New Lace CU. Fantastic quality, great customer service. I really recommend them. So back to the product, which I highly recommend. It's called Silicone Mixed Bamboo. It was recommended to me by actually one of my subscribers, and I've got to say they were absolutely spot on when they told me about this. So this is pretty much, this conditioner is so good that it can give you, I'd say, probably at least another 3 months on your system. It's a fantastic conditioner. It's very reasonably priced. It does last quite a long time as well. I've been using it for over about 1 month now. The quality of the product, the way it nourishes the hair, I've never seen anything quite like it, which is why I'm recommending it. So I'll give you sort of more of a close-up of that, if you can see it properly. I bought it off Amazon for I think £12.99, and it's a 400 or 16 ounce sort of tub, so that will last you quite a while. I reckon I'll get 2 months at least out of this, and it was £12.99. It smells delicious as well, and it makes your hair smell delicious. What I tend to do, as per one of my subscribers' recommendations, is basically put it on dry hair and just leave it on for about an hour and then wash it out. That gives it the optimum time to really nourish your hair and to keep it looking fresh, to keep it clean, to keep it smelling good as well. You can also just use it in the shower, leave it on, I'd say, for at least 5 minutes, and then wash it out. It really does leave your hair smelling amazing and just feeling great, and it gives it a nice amount of body. I'd love to hear from you guys to see if anyone else has been using this. I'm so glad I was recommended it because it's been one of the best finds since I've been using a system. So I highly recommend it. Any comments, guys, please drop it in the comments box below. If you're enjoying my content, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. So till next time, bye for now.